How to fix and solve Pinterest app glitch. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Pinterest. Make sure your app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. And if update is required, then go ahead and update the app further. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Further, scroll down and navigate to Pinterest and tap on it and go ahead and offload the app. Once offloaded, this will clear the cache in the application and will fix the bugs in the app. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if the issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and completely delete the app from your device and then reinstall it by opening the App Store and further launch the application, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix and solve Pinterest app glitch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.